Hello is a stylish and powerful smartphone that offers a host of great features. With a stunning display, high-quality camera and fast processor is the Honor X9b. Advantages: the old SD6 Gen 1 processor used is much better than the processor used in the previous version, the SD695, and will guarantee you good performance. It is an octa-core Snapdragon 6 Gen 1 4nm technology. Cameras with acceptable performance with support for 4K video recording with the rear camera. It is 108 megapixels. Large capacity battery that lasts for a long time with a capacity of 5800 mAh. Large solid and random memory, enough for all applications and files without a problem. It comes with a capacity of 256 GB with 12 GB RAM. It withstands shocks very well. AMOLED screen with a resolution of 6.78 inches and excellent colors, whether while watching videos or playing games, with its support for a 120 Hz refresh rate. What is distinctive is that the screen is break resistant like the previous phone Honor X9a. Operating system, Android 13. The fingerprint sensor offers good performance in terms of response speed with good networking strength from Honor. Phone weight: 185 grams. Disadvantages of Honor X9b Mobile: mono headphones, not stereo. The charging speed is only 35 Watt. It would have been better if it was higher. If you finished the video until the end, thank you very much. Just like that, the video is finished. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share.